go into Ethereum a little bit more here to see how it would get down there. All right, since you're asking that question. All right, so I'm going to throw on my, I'm going to go to the daily chart for this. And again, here is my target. All right, let me put my left-hand corner. All right. Structurally, if you look at ETH like this, and we're already fairly deep in a bear market now with this, you know, we're watching capitulation. We're in the middle of capitulation right now. This is happening. It doesn't, you know, you would think that, like, how is it going to get all the way down there, right? If we're already in capitulation now, you know, and it's holding strong at this horizontal, you know, and we're this far into capitulation, it looks like it'll have a chance to hold this line, which I think, you know, that's possible. It could only hit 1330. That is your best case scenario. And remember, I said, if you're going to nail the bear market low, you look left and look at high-low structures like this one. And that's where it's going to go. Like that's very likely where it's going to go. So this is a possible. This is your best case possible scenario, 1330 for a bear market target. However, remember that Ethereum lost 94% of its value last bear market. Bitcoin lost 87%. So Bitcoin, I think it was 87. Bitcoin lost 87% last bear market. Ethereum lost 94% last bear market. Cardano lost 99% of its value last bear market. 99%. Technically, it was 98.77. And again, that happened after a year and a half after Bitcoin bottomed, was Cardano's bottom, right? So altcoins don't bottom with Bitcoin's bottom. Anyway, but that's the key thing. Ethereum won't necessarily bottom with Bitcoin. It has a chance to. I don't consider Ethereum an altcoin. Ethereum is about one of the only altcoins that has a chance to bottom with Bitcoin and rally up and essentially go against the idea that Bitcoin dominance is going to fly up. Anyway, so take that number, right? And remember what Bitcoin came down last time to try to get a point of relativity here. Look, 1330, that's only 73%. So why would Ethereum hold up better than Bitcoin did last time? I don't think it will. Go down to my bear market box, that's only 80%. 80% is smaller than both of these numbers. So if you take a point of relativity here, to try to set like a litmus test, right? Like, okay, how can I understand what's happening around me without just making some guess that doesn't have like, how do I make sure I'm living in reality, essentially? You have to set points of relativity. Like as if you were going into some haunted woods in a movie and the woods are like changing, the trees are moving and the rocks are moving, right? You can't just set like placers down. You literally need to be tied to a rope from the entrance of the woods to get back, right? So your rope is your lifeline. It's how you know reality is there, right? And so you could see around you and understand the context around you. You've seen those movies. You know what I'm talking about. And so that's these numbers here from the previous bear market, plus this measuring tool. Can you see it over here where I'm hovering? That is your lifeline rope entering the woods. So you know what's going on. That's less than 80%. It's probably going to hit that box. Even though it doesn't look like it. It really doesn't look like it. It looks like 1330 might hold, but it doesn't make sense. This is you, like, and it doesn't make sense because you're entering a weird set of woods that you don't know, and you're getting lost. You were getting lost in the charts. Your eyes are getting lost. It's probably going to hit that box in the time frame I put it. Within that, it'll probably very likely hit it between that line and that line. It'll hit in this area. So that would be this is my bear market target for Ethereum for sure. For those reasons. And this is during bear markets, it's a very, very powerful tool. That measuring stick, I'm telling you, from Wick and outside of altcoins, most altcoins are going to lose. It'll be most of them way over 90%, but 90 to 99% is what altcoins are going to lose from their wick high. Every single one, outside of Ethereum and Bitcoin. And most of them will lose 95% or more. The vast majority. So pick a coin. BNB. It'll probably lose 90. It'll be on the lower end of that scale. And like even KuCoin shares. So some of the stronger coins might be the exchange coins, but they're still going to lose over 90%. So that they'll be on the upper end of that, or the lighter end of the loss. You know, things like smaller caps, like, you know, BPRO, Trias, Veracity, all that stuff, they're going to be between 95 and 99% from their wick high. That's just the way it works. Mid-cap tokens, they might hover around 95% on average, all right? And so it's kind of, this box, the top of this box actually might be too generous. That's only 79%. I kind of find it unlikely that it sticks its landing at 850. Actually, no, that's about 1,000. I'm sorry. So that's right at $1,000. But I think $1,000 might be too high because that's only 79%. I think it's going to dip down into here, all right, into this box. And so what structure does this align with? So if I said look left and align it with some structure to the left with a high and low, well, look, here's a high and low. Yeah, that structure right here kind of works. So you can maybe make 2 boxes. That sort of counts. That could stop at the top of the bottom of that to the top of this. Boom. See how it goes through there? And here's another one over here. Something like this. There you go. That's the bottom of it. That goes to the bottom of the box. That goes to the middle of the box. So Ethereum has a chance to stop here. And this also goes through the box. So Ethereum is extremely likely, so just looking left and mixing 2 different methodologies here, using the measuring stick and using the look left at previous structures, that's likely where the bottom's going to be. All 3 of these go through my box. It's likely going to go to one of these 3 areas. The most bullish possible case is that it stops at the bottom of that structure at 1330. But it's very likely going to hit one of these 3 peak boxes. Very, very, very likely. So let me go ahead and put these in my bear target. So I can save that. So later on, I can tell you I told you so, because I'm probably going to be able to. All right, so that's what we got for Ethereum. Under $1,000 is what I got.